Is your iPhone feeling slower than it used to? Before you think about buying a new one, try these fixes first. One of them might surprise you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video.
1. Check your storage. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. If your storage is almost full, your iPhone has to work harder just to function. Delete apps you don't use and large files you don't need. I have a full dedicated video on how to free up storage fast. Link in the description.
2. Restart your iPhone. It sounds too simple, but restarting clears built-up memory and fixes a surprising number of slowdowns. If you haven't restarted your phone in weeks, do it now. 3. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Running an outdated version of iOS can mean missing performance fixes and optimizations that Apple releases with every update. 4. Turn off Background App Refresh. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and turn it off completely or for specific apps. Too many apps refreshing behind the scenes can slow everything down. 5. Clear Safari cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data. A buildup of cache data can make Safari feel sluggish over time. 6. Turn on Reduce Motion. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, and turn on Reduce Motion. This removes some of the animations in iOS, which can make older devices feel noticeably snappier. 7. Check your battery health. Here's the one most people don't know about. Go to Settings, Battery, Battery Health, and Charging. If your battery health is significantly degraded, iOS automatically slows down your phone's performance to prevent unexpected shutdowns. This is called performance throttling, and it's often the real reason an older iPhone feels slow. 8. Turn off Low Power Mode. Check if Low Power Mode is turned on. You'll see a yellow battery icon in your status bar. Low Power Mode reduces performance and screen refresh rate to save battery, which can make your iPhone feel noticeably slower. Go to Settings, Battery, and turn it off if you don't need it right now. If your iPhone still feels slow after trying all of this, it might genuinely be time for an upgrade, or just wait until the next software update. But try these first. Subscribe for more iPhone tips and check the link in the description to follow me everywhere.